And drying, essential processes that develop the rich flavors characteristic of our chocolate. Once the beans arrive at our factory, we meticulously roast them to enhance their unique flavor profiles. Post-roasting, the beans are cracked and winnowed to separate the nibs from the shells, isolating the purest part of the cocoa. These nibs are then ground into a fine paste known as cocoa mass or cocoa liquor, the foundation of our chocolate creations. Through pressing, we separate the cocoa mass into two distinct components, cocoa butter and cocoa powder. This process allows us to utilize each element effectively in our chocolate production. To craft a 100-kilogram batch of milk chocolate, we precisely blend 48 kilograms of sugar, 15 kilograms of cocoa mass, 22 kilograms of cocoa butter, 14.5 kilograms of cocoa butter, 5 kilograms of whole milk powder, 9.5 kilograms of skim milk powder, 350 grams of soy lecithin. Each ingredient is selected for quality to ensure the finest flavor and texture. This mixture is refined in our state-of-the-art ball mill, achieving a smooth and homogeneous chocolate mass. After refining, the chocolate is transferred to dedicated filtering tanks, maintaining the purity of each variety, milk, dark, and white. The tempered chocolate is then poured into molds, forming the desired shapes and sizes for our diverse product range. As per our unique recipes, we incorporate premium nuts, enhancing both texture and flavor. The molded chocolates are cooled to solidify, locking in a rich taste and smooth texture. Finally, each chocolate is carefully packaged, ready to delight our customers with benchmark signature quality. Over time, as the demand for our chocolates grew, we listened to our customers and decided to take a big step forward. To meet the increasing request, we have expanded our production by upgrading to large.
Get a bad never.